In this video, I'm gonna be showing you the exact way to use Google Circle to search on iPhone. All you have to need, make sure you have installed the Google Chrome browser on your iPhone. Then go to your Google Chrome browser and search for something or open a website where you want to circle search something. From the specific page, tap on this three dot, scroll up, tap on search screen with Google Lens. And now just go ahead and circle something to search. And here we can see the search results according to your selected circle. And now tap on this three dot again. If you want to put this search screen with Google Lens at the top of this list, then just tap on customize menu. And here you have to add this at the top of this list. Tap on done. And now on, you can easily go ahead and search something very easily. Thanks for watching.